Lesson 1. I no fit. This sentence in English means I cannot. It is important to note that no can also be pronounced as no. I no fit or I no fit. Do not say I no fit or I no fit. That is not how Nigerians speak. Instead, say in this tone, I no fit or I no fit. Lesson 2. Where you dey go? This sentence in English means where are you going? It is important to note that where can also be pronounced as where. Do not say where you dey go or where you dey go. That is not how Nigerians speak. Instead, say this, where you dey go or where you dey go. That is all for today's lesson. Subscribe to this channel for more videos and also share to your family and friends who are eager to learn Nigerian Pidgin English. And make sure you turn the bell notification so when I upload a new video, you will be notified. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.